G'day guys, Jace, Ninja and Nina. We've got a contrast training session for you. So what we're doing here is we're working at generating power from a strength exercise. So we're combining two different exercises. So we're going to do a back squat into a resisted jump. So the reason we do contrast training is it's transferring our strength that we gain from our strength training into actually explosive and power performances. So if you're an athlete or you're training to get better muscle recruitment and generate more power and speed in your game or whatever you're doing, then this is a great way to do that, because the strength training uplifts your fast twitch muscle fibers, which then you're able to go straight into an explosive movement from there. So that's how it helps to increase your power. So let's get into it. So I've got a back squat here. So you can do this two ways. You can either load up and go heavy and do heavy reps, or you can do lighter reps but work on moving the bar fast. So that's what we're going to work on today. So we're just going to line up with our normal back squat, bars on our weight, on our back here, down, and then we're just going to work on slow on the way down, and then drive it up and trying to work on speed as you come back up. So down, and then up. So nice and slow, we down, and drive out of the bottom. So it's like we're about to jump from the bottom, we drive out there. Last one, so we're just doing 5 reps, so you don't want to really fatigue yourself too much. So we do that. And then we're going to come back here and we've got dumbbell resisted jumps. So this one, we're aiming for height on our jumps. So we drop down and jump as high as we can and land. So we're going for 10 reps here. Again, always aiming for height.
Good, Jace.
All right.
And
yeah, that gets fatigue builds up pretty quick. So nice and slow on the way down, Ninja. Drive up out of the bottom. Quick. That's it.
wasn't real quick.
It's a bit rude, but drive out of the bottom. So we're trying to excite those muscles that are going to transfer into the jumping exercise. So rather than just purely working on strength, without building strength but translating, you're a bit wonky like me.
Come on, come
And now we're into 10 jumps. So drop down just a little bit and then jump up. That's it. So if you're a basketballer, sprinter, footy player, soccer player, rugby player, anything like that, this is going to be a great workout for you. The idea also is in between your sets, you have a long rest. So you might have 2 to 5 minutes rest. Nina, you can jump on.
Go in, Nina.
The idea is that we're constantly working on that power. We're not working to too much fatigue. That's it, and drive out of the bottom, quick. Yeah. Good, that's it. So explode out. Good, Nina. Can be sprinting fast this week. And drive out, good.
Good.
And up, yep. Yep, that's it, good. And then over here, into your jumps. So you just do a little drop down and jump as high as you can. That's it.
Good knee.
Good. Do soft landings. That's it. Jump in as high as you can.
Strong legs.
Good. Strong.
Legs. Come on.
Good, Nina.
Good work. Transfer that power. Good. And rest. So yeah, we would normally do 4 to 5 sets of this. As I mentioned before, have a 2 to 5 minute rest in between, so you get proper recovery and then you're able to continue that explosive movement. Anyway, we're going to move on to the next exercise, which is a rear foot lunge combined into a box jump. All right, let's get it done. Working our unilateral side on one leg. So that's why we're in the split stance here, because we're not always jumping and moving off 2 feet. So we drop down and drive out of the bottom. So we're going to do 5 on each side. Push out. Again, you slow and explode out of the blocks. And just doing 5. Up. And then swap sides. Control, drive out. It's like I'm trying to sprint out of the blocks here. Push out. I think one more. There we go. And then that's combined with a single leg jump or hop. So we're going to do 1 step and then you jump up onto the box and land. Step back down. 5 each side. Jump and land. So work on sticking that landing as well. So 1 step up and land. Stick it. Really work at jumping through. 5 each side. Here we go. On the non-preferred. Oh, it feels better. Maybe on
It's fresh.
So start off with where you're comfortable at and then build up to trying to jump a bit higher on the next time. All right, let's get into Ninja.
So down slow.
That's it. And drive out like you're sprinting out of the blocks, Ninja. That's it. Just like sprint club. Out. Good. Drive your hips through. That's it. So he's pushing his bum through this way. Driving with his glutes. So his hip comes through to meet the knee. Good, Ninja. Drive out. See how he sits back a little bit and then he pushes forward. And up. Good work, Ninja. That's it. And then jumps. Yep. So step and jump. Good.
The land.
Stick the landing. There it is. Good. So it's always important to practice unilateral one-legged jumps as well, not just doing 2 feet.
Get the arms into a bit.
Yeah, that's it. You want to get your arms involved.
One more.
Get some momentum behind. Good, Ninja. And then the other side.
This is a bit trickier.
Yeah, that's it.
The leg that's
Takes a bit more coordination.
getting better.
So we're just training the body, getting it used to generating power and explosive movements. One more. Good, Ninja. All right, Nina, show us what you can do. Bit more forward. Yep, that's it. And you drop your back knee towards the ground and drive out. Good. Nice and stable, like you're sprinting out of the blocks. Come on, you're going to beat us this week. Good, Nina. That's it. Last one. 5 on this side, sorry. And push. Good. Out of the blocks. That's it. Good. All right, now we're on to the jumps. Here we go. That's it. So starting a bit closer. You got it. And jump. Good.
Yeah.
That's it. Sometimes you might need to start with a little bit less. If you're not used to jumping, start with just a weight plate on the ground, but build up to it, okay? And you want to start to challenge yourself. Don't just always stick in your comfort zone. If you're finding it easy, try and progress. You want to always try and improve your sessions in your training blocks.
It's good.
Good. On the opposite side. Yeah, that's it. So step that leg forward and then go. False start. Come on, Nina, you got it. Start. This leg moves forward and then jump off that one. Go. There you go.
Yeah, you got it.
That's it. So just step that one in and jump. That's it. So, yeah, move that one now. There, go.
you go.
Good. Come on, you got it.
Step right one forward. That's it.
There you
That's
go.
it. Good.
2 more. Yes,
Nina.
last one.
You got it.
Good work. So same thing, guys. We might do 4 or 5 sets of that, having 2 minutes in between. Recover, get your breath back, and work on being explosive. The last group, we're into heavy kettlebell swings and double broad jumps. Let's get them done. Kettlebell swings, you want to set up, feet about hip width apart, the bell in between your legs. Then what we're going to do is you drive back and push out. So you're really pushing back into a hip hinge and exploding out there. So squeeze your glutes and thrust through as hard as you can. 5 reps, and then we're going to do a double broad jump. So 2 repeat efforts. So here, jump as far as you can, land, and then jump again. And then we do 5 of those. So you walk back, get a little bit of recovery, and 5 jumps, okay? So we just do the swings once, but we do the double jumps 5 times of 2.
Whoa.
All right, so 10 reps. We're going to do this one together. So 5 heavy kettlebell swings. So really thrust through.
Go.
2, 3. So you're trying to generate as much power as you can. And 5. So absorb on the way down and press out.
5 or
5, yep. And then here, swing your arms, jump, land, and land. Recover, walk back. Oh, swing your arms, jump, jump. Oh, that's it. No, he's lost everything.
Lost the
So really make sure you get your arms involved. So swing back, jump, absorb, jump again. Good work. This one gasses you a little bit. 2 more.
Yep.
Swing, jump, jump. Oh, we're getting further. That's the idea. once you get the movement right, we increase the distance. Last one, see if you can beat that one. Jump, jump. Oh.
Getting better.
So again, make sure you have plenty of rest, bring that heart rate back down. We want quality movement, working on that power, not into too much fatigue at the time. So yeah, again, 2 to 5 minutes. But yeah, there it is, 3 contrast sets that you can combine together. You want the exercises to mimic what you're trying to achieve in the explosive part. So that's why we combine a squat with a jump vertical. Then a hit, that hinge combined with jump moving that way, and then the unilateral side obviously as well, working each leg, jumping off single leg. So there it is, there's a little example. So you can combine, increase your strength and power, combining them as a session to improve your performance. Get them done, guys.
Got something to say, Nina?
Nah.
There it is, see you guys.